Depending on your price point, we have two markets in the Omaha area. There's one market where we see multiple offers, buyers waiving inspections, and buyers willing to cover the appraisal gap. We see another market that's more of a normal market that homes are selling at or a little bit above list price. These two markets are the subject of today's video, and we're going to get started right now. My name is David Matney with Nebraska Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Omaha, Nebraska. Now, if you're interested in learning more about the Omaha real estate market, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that bell for notifications. Now, let's jump in to today's topic. Right now, we have two markets in the Omaha area. We have one market for $300,000 and below, and another market for homes $300,000 and above. Let's look at the supply of homes. The entry-level market is below $300,000. At $300,000 and higher, you start to see entry-level new construction. Believe it or not, it was just a few years ago where you could get into a new construction property for below $200,000 in the Omaha area. That's how much prices have gone up in our local market. Let's look at homes under $100,000. Now, currently, we have only 7 listings in the Omaha market below $100,000. Now, in that price range, we have less than 1 week's supply of homes on the market. If you can find one, it'll go quickly. Now, it may need some work and it may be small, or it may not be in the best location. This price point in the Omaha market is in the process of becoming extinct. What about the market between $100,000 and $200,000? We currently have a 2-week supply of homes on the market at this price point. These homes go fast. For example, last week I was helping a buyer and they wrote an offer on a $180,000 home. Now, this home was nice. It backed up to a busy street. It needed some cosmetic work. And according to the listing agent, the seller received 31 offers. My clients made a strong bid, well over list price, and they were willing to waive the inspection, and they still didn't get it. Now, let's look at the $200,000 to $300,000 market. We currently have just under a 2-week supply of homes on the market. Again, these homes go fast. They hit the market and they go under contract almost immediately. If it's priced right, it'll probably get bid up. If it's overpriced, people will start to wonder what's wrong with it. And you'll know almost immediately if it's priced right or not. As we increase in price, the month's supply of homes increases. At $500,000 and above, we have a 4.1 month supply of homes on the market. This is where affordability comes into play. There are fewer buyers at these higher prices and higher interest rates who can afford to buy a property at that price. For example, 5162 South 197th Avenue Circle in Southwest Omaha in the White Hawk subdivision was listed for $500,000. It was a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 4-car garage with over 3,600 finished square feet. Now, the yearly taxes were $10,804 per year. To give you some idea of the monthly payment, assuming a down payment of 20% down and a 30-year mortgage interest rate at 6.5%, your principal, interest, taxes, and insurance would be $3,661 per month. Now, if this represented 30% of your gross monthly income, you would need a minimum gross monthly income of over $12,200 per month. Many families do not have that kind of monthly household income. However, if you're relocating to Omaha, especially from some of the more expensive markets, you can get much bigger bang for your buck here in Omaha compared to cities on the East and West Coast. That's why you're seeing more people move to the Midwest. Speaking of relocation, if you're relocating to the Omaha area and you need any assistance, my contact information is in the description below. What about closed sales in the Omaha area? Last month, sales were down 20.3% compared to 2022. I think sales would be higher if there were homes to purchase. The buyers are out there. The demand is out there. The sellers are not selling unless they have to sell. What about the average sale price in the Omaha area? Just because the number of sales are down doesn't mean prices are going down. If you're waiting for prices to tank, good luck. Prices keep going up. You can see we have an average sale price for existing homes was up 6.1% from last year, and new construction was up 9.6% compared to the previous year. Let's look at the chart of new listings by price. Over 41% of the new listings that hit the market were below $300,000. There is demand out there at that price range, just a lack of inventory. Unfortunately, we're not immune to the affordability crisis that we see across the nation. I think you'll see a few things. Entry-level buyers will have to consider a different style of new home. Builders building new construction may have to consider multi-generational families. For example, a 2-story home with a 5th bedroom and a 3/4 bath so parents can live with their kids. Now, if I were 18 years old, and I know living with your parents is not a lot of fun, but you may want to stay at home and attend college in state versus out of state and save that money for a down payment versus racking up a whole bunch of student debt.